cameras are in action in the stands. The crowd clicking pictures of the taking his time, calming himself. No ball from the left arm seamer.
Pumped up Rahul Sharma. विराट कोहली पहली गेंद पर डाउन द लेग साइड नो बॉल वहां पर देते हुए अंपायर.
Huge buzz around the ground. Easier because of this. Yash Dul with the trigger movement across the stumps, was right in front of the stumps as he shaped the play.
Stadium here in the national capital. Brace yourselves, like they say in cinema parlance. It's light, camera and action, because the king is in the middle, the king is in his kingdom, and there's no kingdom complete without its king. Virat Kohli, ladies and gentlemen, is in the house.
वो बढ़ता हुआ एक बहुत बड़ा मोमेंट हर किसी के लिए, विराट कोहली को देखना.
This sunshine, oh, they've bowled some really good deliveries. The Railways have been unfortunate, unlucky not to get those edges. Luck clearly going in the favor of the Delhi batsman this morning. That really went through him. The bounce on the pitch really saving him. Oh, he just a better and clearer picture. There it is. Touch and go. The umpire ruling in the bowler's favour. I just got the feeling that Yash Dul could consider himself a trifle unlucky.
और देखिए जैसे ही विराट कोहली अंदर आया ना, वो जो गेंदबाज की जो गति है ना वो भी बढ़ गई है. चिल्लाता हुआ, उनका नाम लेता हुआ, एक बार फिर से अपील ज़रूर है, पर गेंद का हाथ से छूटना और उस लाइन में जाना लेग स्टंप मिस कर रहा था. ओवर की समाप्ति 25 ओवर के बाद 79 पे 2.
Yet to get off the mark is Virat Kohli. He got a peach, the first delivery. Coming into him again, no ball again. There's a little extra effort on the part of the bowler. I'm fine with that, the effort that he turf. Can he get a big 100, a big double 100 perhaps? Well, he seems to be under the cosh at the moment.
और देखिए वो जो नो बॉल्स हो रही है ना, वो शायद इस वजह से भी, क्योंकि आप तेज़ गति से गेंदबाजी करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, वो जो एफर्ट मारने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, उसमें कई बार आप
A million perhaps watching this game.
जी हाँ, हल्के हाथ से खेल के और रनिंग बिटवीन द विकेट्स, वहाँ पे आपको उस तरीके का तालमेल रखना पड़ेगा विराट कोहली के साथ. खासकर जिस तरीके से ये भागते हैं, आपको बिल्कुल तैयार रहना पड़ेगा. और ये मोमेंट सिर्फ एक गेंदबाज के लिए नहीं, पब्लिक के लिए नहीं, सामने जो सनत सांगवान खेल रहे हैं, जो अब स्ट्राइक पे हैं, उनके लिए भी बहुत बड़ा मोमेंट है कि पाकिस्तान की जो चैंपियन साइड थी डोमेस्टिक की, वो यहाँ पे खेलने आई थी और उस समय दिल्ली यहाँ की चैंपियन थी. उस मैच को यहाँ पे कोटला में जो अरुण जेटली स्टेडियम है, उस समय खेला गया था.
Well, there are the top scores for Delhi again. Rajat Bhatia 2006, 90 against Karnataka.
देखिए 2006 में इनका डेब्यू हुआ था और ये जो गेम है ना कर्नाटका वाला, ये भी मुझे याद है, वो इसीलिए क्योंकि ये इनका कहना था.
Well, that shows the commitment that this man on your screen has for the game of cricket. And no one can doubt that commitment. the contribution that he's made, the joy that he's brought on a billion faces in this country, mad about cricket. Let's take a look at that off the middle of the bat. So a tempest to don those India colours. A successful batsman, a successful captain. He will go down in the annals of Indian cricket as perhaps one of the greatest to have donned its colours. And what a proud feeling to have that India flag on his helmet. Well, oohs and ahs galore, but Virat Kohli survives, much to the... So all the negative thought around Virat Kohli, the negative comments that have been made in the recent past, can just be put to rest by the kind of achievements that we are showing of him. Well, it's really well bowled again, sparring outside that off stump. Luckily, he didn't get an edge. And just to commemorate the 100 test matches that Virat Kohli has, the Mohinder Amarnath stand, the late Bishan Singh Bedi stand as well. We'll come back to that. At the moment, Delhi 82 for 2, and it's time for a drink. Company. He has the king with him on 2 of 11. Slightly circumspect to start with is Virat Kohli, but he's still out there in the middle, much to the delight of this huge crowd that's come into the Arun Jaitley Stadium. 82 for 2, require 159 to take that all-important first innings lead. I'm Fazal Khalil, once again with me on that. How people have moved on, but Virat Kohli has been like the Rock of Gibraltar for Delhi. Let's take a look at that again. 446 is what they got. Uthappa got 161 in reply. Kohli 9 against this man and this team. Good achievement that.
जी कर्नाटका के लिए रॉबिन उथप्पा ने 161 बनाए थे और दिल्ली के लिए कोहली ने तो 90 बनाए थे, पर पुनीत बिष्ट ने 156 रन बनाए थे. अखिल जो अब मैच रेफरी हैं, इस मैच में उन्होंने 5 विकेट हॉल जरूर लिया था. ये स्ट्रोक में विश्वास दिखा है. इस स्ट्रोक में वो बात दिखी है जिसके लिए कोहली जाने जाते हैं. बॉल की पिच पे गए और करारा स्ट्रोक खेलते हुए तीर की माफी एकदम सीधा.
Well, just stamping his authority there is Virat Kohli. Just a little shimmy down the track and just bludgeoned that really. He gave it everything, and lucky for the bowler that he didn't get his foot on the ball. That would have been some damage to his shin. Very lucky there, the bowler, on that occasion. Virat Kohli now 6 of 14. Oh, he's gone! Big moment this. Virat Kohli is off stump, knocked back. Sweet revenge this for Sangwan, and Delhi lose their 3rd wicket. And the crowd at the Arun Jaitley Stadium has absolutely gone silent.
जी हाँ, ये लम्हा सांगवान को हमेशा याद रहेगा. इससे पिछली गेंद पे चौका जरूर खाया था, पर इस गेंद को बैट और पैड के बीच में से उस गैप को निकालते हुए ऑफ स्टंप को इस तरीके से उड़ाते हुए विराट कोहली को पेविलियन भिजवाते हुए. जी हाँ, विराट कोहली पेविलियन लौटते हुए केवल 6 रन बना के दिल्ली मुश्किलों में